Hi everybody, this is Laney. Hope you all are doing well. I'm going to try to get through this video. In this video, we will be celebrating the life of Chadwick Boseman, forever our king, King T'Challa, Wakanda forever. Today is his birthday. Chadwick Boseman's Day, observed on November 29th, is held on the late star's birthday and is a day for us to remember the actor who sadly left us too soon. Boseman was perhaps most famous for playing Black Panther, but also played James Brown in Get On Up, as well as 21 Bridges, and when he played Jackie Robinson in 42. He was known for his humble personality and down-to-earth nature. Boseman died on August the 28th, 2020, as a result of complications due to colon cancer. He was 43. On Chadwick Boseman Day, we remember his talents, but also the wonderful person that he was. History of Chadwick Boseman Day. Chadwick Aaron Boseman was born in Anderson, South Carolina on November 29, 1976, and was the son of Leroy and Carolyn Boseman. His mother was a nurse, and his father worked at a textile factory and managed an upholstery business. In his early youth, Boseman practiced martial arts and continued this training as an adult. As a child, he wanted to become an architect. He also played basketball before graduating from T.L. Hanna High School in 1965. He wrote his first play in his junior year of high school. Crossroads was in memory of a classmate who was shot and killed and was staged at the school. Boseman studied a Bachelor's of Fine Arts in Directing at Howard University and graduated in 2000. During this period, Boseman committed most of his efforts to becoming a writer and director. He moved to New York City and graduated from the city's Digital Film Academy before moving to LA in 2008 to pursue an acting career. Also, while at Howard, one of his teachers, Felicia Rashad, who became his mentor, helped raise funds from her friends, and one being the prominent actor Denzel Washington, so that Boseman and other classmates could attend the Oxford Summer Program of the British American Drama Academy at Oxford in England. Having picked up numerous small roles, his breakthrough came in 2013 when he played baseball star Jackie Robinson in the film 42. In 2014, he played James Brown in Get On Up, as well as starring in Draft Day alongside Kevin Costner, with his character being an NFL draft prospect. The Marvel president had noticed Boseman playing James Brown, and by 2016, he was making his first appearance as Black Panther and Captain America: Civil War. In 2018, Black Panther was released to critical acclaim and was one of the best performing movies of the year. In 2019, Boseman got engaged to Taylor Simone Ledward, with the two reportedly getting married in secret not long before his death. Boseman had been diagnosed with colon cancer in 2016, but kept the diagnosis a secret. It was his mother's decision to keep the disease a secret. His condition worsened, and Boseman died at his home on August the 28th, 2020. And one of the last tweets he made was to Kamala Harris, who also attended Howard University, congratulating her for becoming the nominee for vice president. Boseman's death was greeted with shock and sadness across the world, with a huge outpouring of grief, respect, and fond memories, all being shared online. Chadwick Boseman's day timeline: November 29, 1976, he was born in South Carolina. 2000, he graduated from Howard University in Washington, D.C. with a Bachelor's of Fine Arts degree in directing. In 2013, his breakthrough. Many see his role as baseball pioneer Jackie Robinson in the film 42 as Boseman's breakthrough role. 2016, a Marvel. Some say Marvel, some say Marvel. I'm gonna say Marvel. After agreeing to a 5-picture deal with Marvel, Boseman makes his first appearance as Black Panther in Captain America's Civil War. 2018, Black Panther. The Black Panther movie is released to critical acclaim and with one of the year's highest grossing films of the year, August 28, 2020. R.I.P. Boseman sadly died at his home as a result of complications to colon cancer. So there you have the timeline of Chadwick Boseman. It is often asked if he had any children, and the answer is no, he did not have any children. How can you observe Chadwick Boseman's day? Number 1, watch Black Panther. It's the role he was most famous for, and a movie that inspired people throughout the world. Watch it again. It's a great movie that is always worth watching. Number 2, watch a lesser-known movie. Some of Boseman's movies, including 42, Bridges, Get On Up, and The Gods of Egypt. Check them out. Number 3, donate to a good cause. There are many colon cancer fighting charities that you could donate to, including Colon Cancer Coalition and the Colon Club. A few facts that you may not know about Chadwick: he was a talented athlete when he was younger, and he played basketball. Basketball was his favorite sport. Another one, he did not audition for Black Panther. He was vocal about social issues. Boseman used his platform to speak out about the issues that were important to him. He was part of Operation 42, an initiative that helped donate medical equipment to hospitals fighting COVID-19, and was a supporter of families. He also had a campaign against separating migrant children from their parents. He trained hard for Get On Up. For the movie in which he played James Brown, Boseman trained 5 to 8 hours per day. Wow. Boseman was a humble man who kept his health problems hidden from most of the world. He deserved to be remembered as a great man, a talented man whose love impacted his family, friends, and fans. This is a day to remember his humility, his talent, and his kindness. So there you have it, a little bit of history on celebrating Chadwick Boseman's day, which is his birthday. Be well, Stay safe and stay in peace, not pieces. Hit that bell so you will know every time I upload a video. Word of the year, peace. Peace. Deuces. See you soon.